How to sign a PDF on Adobe Acrobat Reader. You can sign a PDF and add your digital signature on a PDF file by using Adobe Acrobat Reader app. So you can open the app and this is the interface that you'll see. Then from here you can simply go to this PDF file where you want to add your signature to and just scroll all the way on the page where you want to add your signature. Once done, you just tap on the fill and sign button there. Then you can see this little pen icon there. You can hit this pen icon and select add signature. So you can see add signature button, or you can add initials depending on whatever it's profitable for you. Go to add signature and then you can simply go ahead and then type in your signature, or make sure to add a digital signature like this. Then tap the done button. Now simply place your finger or hold them on the space where you want to add a signature. So once I've placed it, you can see I've added the signature there. And if I want to, then what happens is that I can increase the size of that particular signature just like this. I can just drag it to this other part like this. But like that, I'll be able to add my digital signature on Adobe Acrobat. So if I want to delete it, I can just tap on the trash icon right next to it in order to delete that as well. But to give you a basic context, I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.